Hello! In this video we are going to be unboxing the new Apple AirPods Pro with MagSafe charging case. I'm looking at this like I didn't I've been on such a shopping spree on Amazon lately that I don't even remember what I purchased. So this thing is fully sealed, and it's also June 2022, and you don't need a knife to open this. Look at this, there's a little tab here. I don't know if you can see this tab. So let's go right in there. Oh. Okay, that could have been better. That was kind of a little disorganized. Okay, so we have a box. It's like a, not clamshell, but you know, standard box inside of a box. Airtight. It's like there was a good suction there. You can see that here. Designed by Apple in California. User's manuals. Lots of cheapo paper. Easy setup guide. Actually, let's put those back. Then we have the charging case, which is wrapped. We'll get to that later. We will unwrap you. Oh. And there you go. That's the old left. And that's the right. Wow. Okay, they've already turned on automatically. It's time to pair this up. Let's put them back in. How do you snug these in? Laces out. Wow, that's pretty easy. And then inside the box, very beautifully wrapped charge air. And deeper is another set of your ear thingies for the old big-eared folks. So let's look at these up close again. Beautiful. These are the Pro version. Worth a $200 shipped, who knows? There's a focus. It's like a black thing there. Wow. Lovely. Alright. Thanks for watching.